all of these products are going to absolutely fly.
15 years old, £280 of profit this morning. How'd you do it?
£120 of profit. Okay guys, we've got some gold for you today. Now, these products that I'm about to order, facial creams by the looks of it, the majority of them, they're all from Superdrug. They all came from the Discord. So our price drop monitor found these at 1:15 last night. They're still in stock right now. I'm going to place my orders, but let me show you these products. I'll run you through them and show you how the software works. So you can see this one came through here. That's what it looks like. You can see current now price, £10, £10, and then £10. You can see there's been around about 30 to 35% reduction in price for these products. However, when I clicked on these, I realized that there was something else we could take advantage of. So let me show you now. When you actually go onto the website, this was a nice surprise for me. The original price was £34, dropped down to a tenner. However, the member price is £4.99. How do you become a member? You just create a free account. Now, these items wouldn't have been profitable without taking advantage of this member price. Let's check this first one out. This one, 878 sales per month, cost price $4.99. So the actual buy box here is $15.99. So let me whack that in. So that is £5.76 profit per unit, over 100% return on investment. I'm more than doubling my money on this. Let's have a look at the next one. Again, we've got that beautiful member price, and these are store pickups only. I have already checked. I can pick these up from my local, which is just behind me, which is Manchester Arndale. So I'm going to be buying as much of this as I can. Let's check out this one. Now this one, 118 sales per month, a sale price of £21.50, which means £10.64 profit per unit, over 200% return on investment. I'm spending £5 to make over £10. If you went to a market trader or any normal business, like let's say your local corner shop, even supermarkets, they're probably making, I don't know, maybe like 30% markup or something like that on their products. This is over 200%. And this is what Amazon allows you to do when you find these great deals online. How do we get the deals? You've just seen it. The Discord notifies you. Makes it super easy. Get in our Discord to stay in the loop about what products to sell on Amazon. Book a call with us. Ask us any questions you may have. Just select a date and time that's convenient for you. There you go. That is £4.99. And let's check the last one. So this one here, I think is the best one out of the lot. Correct. £11.51 profit, 230% return on investment. So there's 388 sales per month, but there's variations. Remember to check the variation, guys. So we'll go down, we'll check the variation. There we go. 99% variation. That means 99% of those 388 sales come from this product, the one I'm going to sell. So let's just say 380 sales per month. I don't know, my maths might be a little bit off there, but 380 sales a month, £11.51. All of these products are going to absolutely fly. So I'm going to order as many as I can right now, and I will check back in with you in a moment with my order confirmations. Okay, so I ordered around about half an hour ago, and I've just had the notification email from Superdrug saying that my order is now ready to collect, guys. You can see it right here. I'm going to go ahead, pick this up right now, and then I will come back and show you the products in hand, because for some reason people think we don't actually buy any of these products. We don't actually sell them. We do. We show you this all the time. You pretty much see our daily lives. So I'll go pick these up and then I'll catch you guys in a moment. So we've just come back from our sunny walk out in Manchester, picked up the products from Superdrug that you've seen that we ordered earlier. All came through on the Discord. We also bumped into Cov. Now, if you're in our Discord, you'll know who Cov is, or if you aren't in the Discord, you should probably be a little bit inspired by Cov. The reason being, he's a 15-year-old reseller. He's been reselling since he was 13. He was in Manchester today because he's picked up one of the Omega swatches.
So 15 years old, £280 of profit this morning. How'd you do it?
Just pushed in the queue at Trafford Centre for this swatch, to be fair.
Where have you travelled from now?
From Coventry, which was, I think, 4 hours on the coach, but not too bad. The leads were all posted in Aftermarket Discord, so it's just a matter of getting down there. And
that's the thing as well. 15 years old, there's not that many people with a dedication to do a 4-hour coach trip. What time did you set off?
Well, I woke up at 1:45 in the morning, got there for like 6 or something like that, so not that bad.
And anyone who's in Discord groups in general, everybody knows Cov. This is like, I feel like I'm meeting a legend.
Trust.
Thanks for coming, Cov.
No worries.
And keep doing it, bro.
Cheers, mate. Cheers.
But he made 280 quid today. He sold the product before he'd even got it in hand. So he sold it at pre-order on eBay. So he's basically risking none of his own money. He's already sold the product on eBay, and he can just come, pick it up, send it straight to the buyer. Then he's banked 280 quid profit. It's 15 years old and he's doing this in the summer holidays. It's not hard. He's been doing it since 13. You've just got to have a little bit of motivation. And that right there, ladies and gents, is £120 of profit. A few steps, maybe a little bit of a nice tan whilst I was at it as well. Nice and easy, like we showed you. And I tell you all the time, it's a few clicks to order these products. Easy to go pick them up. There we go. Money's landed. Now you know what the rest of this drill is. If you don't, you need to go and subscribe and you need to check out our other videos to see how we package, prep, and ship these items into Amazon. It will not take long at all. We've actually got a pretty big order that's going out, being collected tomorrow. And I do have some more stuff arriving that was from Amazon. So Amazon to Amazon, that stock will land tomorrow morning. I'll probably quickly get all of that boxed up, get UPS to collect it tomorrow afternoon, and then take out a massive order. But in one day, out the next, be efficient with it, keep that cash flow spinning, guys.